purple line is like different. All the lounge chairs.
Yeah.
Things like that.
Oh, really?
Right. Told everybody to pack it up. Yeah, I was saying that. Front of the line, no chairs, no tables, no food.
That's probably what shrunk the lineup. Yeah, yeah. It was crazy. Doesn't look like the line goes much farther back. Thinking about it. Yeah, that's right. Hey, the 15% stocking fee? I don't know. Maybe if it's not open, yeah.
It's not open.
Nice. He's back in the shade. I missed the front of that, but I got most of it. That's awesome. Yeah, but they came out the back to get everybody stoked, so that'll be good. Yeah. When I got here, I only shot one. So. Yeah. That's probably what you're gonna get is the t-shirt. It says iPhone on it. That'd be cool. I'll deal with that. No, the phones are like a little purchasing pack. You'll get like
yeah, they probably get it with a Blackberry.
They're gonna hard sell you on the headset. I think doesn't it come with it? Yeah. Oh, the USB or the Bluetooth. I haven't seen it. Is it really? Is it? It's like an Apple branded one?
Yeah. I think so.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah.
It's really small, just fits in your ear.
Oh, nice. So you push your ear to
Well, yeah,
turn
I
up.
don't know how it works. Like, that's what they're pumping today on the website.
Nice. Okay. I might get one of those. Maybe. See.
I haven't been able to use myself to buy one of those headsets. You guys use those?
Yeah, I've used. Yeah, that's it.
The other one, the Motorola, it's the low one. It's usually like $90.
Yeah.
It's probably like, I just, for some reason, I feel like they're going to show up in like 15, 20 years from now. They're going to date this time period. You know, like late warmers.
Yeah, it's like the original. Well, have you seen the original iPod, like compared to the other one?
Yeah, I have one.
Okay,
Yeah.
like the 5 gig.
That's why I have the
Really. Nice. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. So yeah, that thing looks dated already.
Yeah. It's got the big old FireWire port on it.
Right.
Full on FireWire.
Right. You plug it directly in.
Yeah. It looks like. Yeah, I'm an early adopter.
I'm glad that they used a consistent connector across the line from from then on, even in the Nanos.
But what I wonder is because my iTunes server doesn't have 2.0, there's 2.1. I'm wondering iPhone.
Oh, here they come. I don't know. They're going to the back to help set up, or maybe you have to open the door from the inside.
Come in and open the door.
Yeah. That's right.
Call me up.
Start the frenzy. Awesome. Since there are plenty of phones, supposedly. Oh, it is. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I totally decided like yesterday to do this.
Decided the direction of the line should have gone that way to the water.
No kidding. Well, there were little kids playing in the water, so.
We can push them out.
That's right. It was pretty full when I got here. You could probably intersperse them. Get them all jazzed. Make them yell iPhone, iPhone. Camera crew. Woo! Hey, look at that. That's right. That's all, man.
Forgot to work here, you have to be in full.
Yeah, that's right.
You know that they only hire 1 in 20 people.
Really?
Now,
is that for like the Genius Bar? Because I could see that, but for regular retail.
They say that it's pretty selective process. Huh. I know a guy who used to work at the University Bookstore.
Yeah.
In the computer solutions department.
What's his name?
I don't remember his name. I just know him.
I used to work up there.
Did you?
So, yeah, I know a lot of people up there.
And he worked there for a while, and then now he's down here.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember Curtis?
Curtis.
He was like there for a while. I don't know where he went.
Sounds really familiar. No, I didn't work at the bookstore. I actually knew, I worked at the library in networking, so I knew all the IT people and stuff.